Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this short tutorial, I show you how you can know or see a Gmail account logged in from how many devices. This is very easy, so let's start. First, open Google on your phone. Then tap here. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Now go to Security tab. And now scroll down and tap on Manage all devices. See, here are the list of all of device where you logged in from. A lot of device. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and also as well as subscribe my channel. Thank you.